Hello, how you guys doing? Guys, I'm always here again to bring you guys the updates and to bring you guys the best and the best and the best and the best trades, and to bring you guys, introduce you guys to the best strategy as a swing trader, guys. I am David B, and this is my channel. I am Good Life, and also this is my channel. So remember, guys, I posted a trade like few days ago, and I was giving you guys the insight on BTC and gold, guys. Yes, guys, if you didn't watch that video, at the end of this video I'm going to be putting a link down to that video. You go check that video out. So right now I am back again with the updates on gold, and I'm back again with the updates on BTC, guys. With those two trades you can make a lot of money, guys. So it's your boy David B. Do well. Good Life is your boy David B, or you could call me Good Life. Do well to watch this video. So let's dive into it. So now this is gold on my screen, and this is the daily time frame. This is gold on my screen, and this is the daily time frame. Let me clear this. But I won't be clearing all, but I'll clear some. So this is the daily time frame on gold. We can see that gold on the weekly time frame. Let's go to the weekly time frame. You can see that gold on the weekly time frame is trending to the upside. Gold on the weekly time frame is trending to the upside, and in an uptrend, like I said when I was trying to teach you guys how to identify the trend. There's a video on my channel where I teach you guys how to identify the trend, and I'm going to be dropping a part 2 of that video, guys. So if you have not watched the first one, I'll also be dropping a playlist of my channel at the end of this video. So do well to click on there and then check out that video. So now we can see that on the weekly time frame, gold is trending to the upward direction. So now we scale down to the daily time frame to identify our levels, right? So now we can see that on the daily time frame, gold is creating, let's start from here. Gold is creating a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, and gold is creating a higher low, has created a higher low, and gold is ready to push to the upward side, right? Gold is ready to push to the upward side. Now the second thing you do when you finish identifying the trend, whether it's a bullish trend or it's a bearish trend, you identify the swing lows and the swing highs. Now there's a saying that buy low and sell high, right? Yes, guys. Now we'll focus more at this retracement, this new retracement that gold created starting from here down to here, guys. So we can see that now on this daily time frame, because I use the monthly time frame for the overall direction, use the weekly time frame too for the overall direction, but I use the daily time frame to mark my levels, and I use the 4 hours for only entries. I don't go below the 4 hours time frame, guys. I don't go below the 4 hours time frame except on some certain cases. Yeah, so now I can see that on the daily time frame, gold has currently created a temporary lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, but gold came back to create a lower low but could not, rather created a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and gold is ready to push to the upward direction, guys. Now we can see that, guys. Now remember, guys, on the previous analysis I posted about gold, I told you guys, let's scale down to the 4 hours time frame so that we can see the levels clearly. I told you guys something, that before we could sell or buy on gold, guys, before we could sell on gold, gold needs to come and break the overall structure, this level, right? Gold needs to break this level. If you check on the daily time frame, when gold stopped going downwards, it started creating what they call a higher high, higher low, higher high, and a higher low. Now for gold to stop moving upwards, there are two things that needs to be taken into consideration. Number one, break of the trend line and break of structure. And I told you guys in the previous video, for gold to sell, for us to join a gold sell, gold must break below this level to prove to us that gold has changed the whole direction and gold is ready for a sell. But if not so, we are still on a buy on gold, and we can see that gold is just stalling in between. Gold has refused to come down and break this level. I prefer keeping my support and resistance level at the candle close. Gold refused to come down and break this level. Rather, gold did what? Gold, after creating a temporary lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and gold refusing to create a lower low, rather creating a higher high, a higher low, higher high, and a higher low. You guys can call this a break and a retest, guys. You can call this a break and a retest, guys. Then gold is ready to push. Like I said, yes, gold is ready to push for a buy. Now, since we have identified all this, we are going to go to the 4 hours time frame to look for how we can scale in on this trade, guys. Remember, I told you guys on the previous video that I made and I posted that gold has broken our counter trend line. Yes, gold has broken our counter trend line. I remember, guys, I keep saying that before good life can take a trade, before good life can take a profitable trade, two things need to be taken into consideration. Number one is the break of the trend line, the counter trend line, and also break of structure. So now, as at that time I posted this video, I saw just this candle. There was already a break of counter trend line, but there was no break of structure. I had to wait on my hands, and then yesterday around evening I saw gold create these two levels, yeah, and then gold came back around midnight and broke above this level with this candle. Now that's to tell you that in this temporary retracement, or people can call it a break and a retest, gold created what? A lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, but gold could not come and break below this previous low, making gold create what? A double bottom, and gold pushed up and broke above, creating what? A higher low, a higher high, and gold is about to create a higher low, and then gold is going to be pushing for the upside, guys. So guys, I am currently on this gold trade, guys. And I'm on a buy on gold, because at the break of this candle, yes, actually at the break of this candle was where I was supposed to enter my trade, but I didn't see the break of this candle. Rather, I saw this red candle forming, so my entry is around this level. And there's where my TP is, and then I'm going to be giving gold enough room to move, because around this level is my first TP. Remember, guys, when an uptrend is broken, a new downtrend must be formed. Or maybe when a downtrend is broken, a new uptrend must be formed. So now, guys, this is the entry on this trade on the 4 hours time frame. So I can clearly scale down to the daily time frame to show you how long I'm going to be holding this trade, guys. So guys, can you remember this retracement? Once gold breaks above a retracement, it must surely go back to the end of that retracement. So this level is my first TP, and this level is going to be my second TP. So that is the analysis on gold, guys. On the 4 hours time frame was where I took my entry. I saw this double bottom, guys, and I waited for a break of structure, guys. That is to tell you that gold has broken our counter trend line and has also broken our structure, guys. Remember, guys, if you are joining me on this trade, remember to keep everything simple, and remember to use a good risk to reward management, guys. Now, so this is for gold, guys. I am clearly on a buy on gold, guys. You can clearly see that we are clearly on a buy on gold, guys, and gold has met all our criteria. So now I'm clearly on a buy. So now we are going to check out BTC was the next trade I posted an update on, and I'm here to tell you that BTC is already in our profit, guys. What are you waiting for, guys? I give you guys the best and the best of the best analysis, guys. I am here to give you guys the best of the best analysis, guys. Yep. I am here to give you guys the best of the best analysis, guys. So now let's scale down to the 4 hours time frame, guys. And also on that video, I posted the full analysis on BTC, guys. Now we could clearly see that BTC is trending downwards, guys. So the overall trend, the overall mark of gold, the overall direction of gold, BTC, sorry, guys, pardon me guys, the overall direction of BTC. If you go to the monthly time frame, you see that the overall direction BTC is trending to the upside, guys. BTC is trending. Hello guys, so now here you have it on BTC, guys. This is the trade signal on BTC, guys. If you watch that same video, I posted a trade on BTC, guys. So now we can see that on the weekly time frame, BTC is still trending to the upward direction, guys. BTC is still bullish. We are still bullish on BTC, guys. Yep. So let me kindly clear this. Let me clear my chart. So now I saw this on BTC on the weekly time frame. I saw that BTC created what they call a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, and BTC is trying to create a new highs, guys. BTC is about to create new highs, guys. So I clearly saw this level. I saw BTC reacting to this level, just this level. So now I scaled down to the daily time frame. I went down to the daily time frame, and I saw, as I didn't see this price, I saw that BTC is creating a little bit of a retracement on the daily time frame. So now remember guys, we need two things to be able to be sure that a trade is about to take off. Number one, we need a break of the counter trend line, and we need break of structure, guys. So now I saw this break. I applied my counter trend line, and I applied my level, the recent level that price has to break before I know that price is about to change its direction. So now I saw now on the temporary retracement, the temporary downtrend, price created a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, and price boom broke immediately above the previous lower high, creating what they call a higher high, and price is about to create a higher low and then push back up, right? So that is it on BTC now. So I scaled down to the 4 hours time frame. And I saw that on the 4 hours time frame, let's kindly adjust this to the recent level. Let's kindly adjust this to the recent level at which price this level. Exactly. I scaled down to the 4 hours time frame, and I saw that price with just one candlestick, with just one candle, boom, broke above my counter trend line and my structure. And I said, yes, this is my entry. So as yesterday I entered this trade, I kept my stop loss at the tail of that candle, and then my profit target at the 100% retracement level. Yes, my profit target at the 100% retracement level. Yep. So yes, I took here as my there. Let me kindly adjust it here to the peak here. Yep, there you have it to the peak here. So that is it. So right now today I'll be adding more positions on BTC. Why? Because now for the new trend that is forming, we apply a counter trend line, and a kiss of this counter trend line by price. Yep, a kiss of this counter trend line this new trend by price. I'll be adding a new position, guys. So guys, I am on a buy trade on gold. I am on a buy trade on BTC too. I've explained this, but if you want detailed explanation of this analysis, do well to watch the previous video I posted a few days ago about BTC and about XAUUSD. That is gold, guys. So now I am on a buy on BTC. I'm also on a buy on gold, guys. I'm also on a buy on gold. Let's see how gold will go. I've given gold enough room to do what it has to do, because I am clearly sure that gold is going for a sweet pie. And on S&P 500, we are still on a buy, guys. Remember, we have two positions running on S&P 500. I posted this trade last week, and it's still running, guys. And this is the first trade I had like few months ago. It's still running, guys. I'm just on a break even, and this was the new one I posted last week. And then on US 30, guys, I posted this new trade. I posted this new trade on US 30, in which I gave the full analysis on this trade, guys. But I'll be dropping an update on this trade either tomorrow or next tomorrow, guys. Let's see how it goes, guys. So guys, it's your boy Good Life. Do well to watch this video and do well to understand this video, guys. If you want more insight on more trades or more pairs, you want me to do more trades, more pairs, guys, do well to like and comment, and then yes, I'll see it, and then yep, I'm going to be sending more trade signals. And guys, on this channel, I do everything live. All my trade signals, even before I take them, I come here and I post them so that you guys can join me, guys. So it's your boy Good Life, and do well to have a good life. Yep, because financial freedom brings good life, guys. Financial freedom brings good life, guys. So do well to like, do well to subscribe, and do well to turn on the bell notification button so that anytime I drop a video like this, guys, YouTube is going to send you guys a notification that Good Life has dropped